Welcome. If you're someone who helps local businesses get clients or wants to grow your own business faster without spending days on marketing, then you're going to want to hear this. Because today we're presenting to you a review of Local Biz AI, a new platform designed to help anyone create complete AI-driven marketing campaigns for local businesses in minutes, not days. Sounds wild, right? But let's take a closer look. So what exactly is Local Biz AI? On the surface, it's a simple tool that uses artificial intelligence to build everything a business needs: websites, ads, videos, social content, and even email campaigns. But the real magic isn't how it does it. Imagine typing a few words about your business, your niche, city, and what you offer, and within seconds, AI generates ready-to-use campaigns built specifically for your market. That's what Local Biz AI promises. Before we dive into the features, think about this. How much time do most agencies waste building marketing materials from scratch? Or how many small business owners never launch because they don't have the technical skills? Local Biz AI was built for exactly that problem. It's made for marketers, freelancers, agencies, and local entrepreneurs who need results fast without hiring expensive designers or copywriters. Now, inside the platform, you get access to several versions, each tailored to different users. Local Biz AI Premium, Unlimited, Enterprise, Professional, and Freelancer. Each version unlocks more automation, client capacity, and AI tools. But the real magic shows up when you go for the bundle deal, which includes everything from AI offices, click agency, agency reel, to Local Biz AI coaching, giving you a complete AI-powered agency system under one roof. You can manage leads, create campaigns, and deliver results, all without touching a single line of code. So what makes Local Biz AI stand out? It's the ability to produce localized campaigns that feel custom-made. The AI doesn't just generate random templates, it tailors the design, copy, and tone to the city and niche you're targeting. Need a marketing plan for a dentist in Chicago? Done. A real estate agent in Miami? Done. A restaurant in Paris? Also done. It's like having a marketing team that never sleeps, constantly generating new campaigns for every client. If you're curious about how it actually works, click the link in the description. There's a live demo showing the AI in action. You'll see how it builds entire websites, ad scripts, and videos in a few clicks. It's smooth, simple, and surprisingly fast. Now, let's talk pricing. This is where it gets interesting. Local Biz AI is currently in its launch phase, which means the price is increasing every few hours. If you grab it early, you lock in a lower price before it doubles at the end of the launch. Plus, you can use the coupon code LOCAL to save $50 off instantly. Considering everything included, it's a very affordable deal. But once the launch ends, bonuses, coupons, and discounts disappear, so acting early is key. And yes, the bundle deal also accepts the same coupon code LOCAL for an extra $50 off. That bundle gives you access to all the products, including AI offices, click agency, agency reel, and coaching, which means you can serve more clients and scale faster without extra cost. In case you're wondering about security or support, the product includes a money-back guarantee, so you can test it out without risk. Their customer support team is responsive and helps handle refunds and technical questions directly from your dashboard, which adds a layer of trust and ease. So, should you buy it? If you're a freelancer, digital marketer, or agency owner looking to grow your business and impress clients with high-quality marketing done by AI, then yes, this is absolutely worth considering. It automates the hard part, creating campaigns, and frees you up to focus on getting more clients and making more profit. To wrap it up, Local Biz AI is an all-in-one AI engine that creates, manages, and delivers marketing solutions for local businesses. It's fast, smart, and built for growth. The earlier you join, the more you save. Check the official website link in the description, use the coupon code LOCAL to save $50, and take advantage of the special launch pricing before it's gone forever.